The SEAT Media Control app enables exchanges of information between the infotainment system and a device. It allows remote control of some functions in radio mode, media mode, and navigation mode. To use it, the following requirements must be met: having a tablet or a mobile phone, the SEAT Media Control app installed on the device, WLAN connection between the system and the device. This app enables remote control of the radio and multimedia playback. Additional options may be available depending on the system and the country, such as the exchanging of navigation destinations, social network content, or vehicle data, among others. The infotainment system can be used as a WLAN hotspot for connecting up to 8 devices. To configure it, select the Settings option in the main menu. The WLAN option in the infotainment system must be activated. It is also necessary to activate the WLAN option on the device. This process will vary depending on the type and model. The mobile hotspot function must be selected to assign the mobile device. The network key provided by the system must be entered into the mobile device and confirmed in order to establish the connection. To complete the connection, it may be necessary to enter other data into the mobile device. The infotainment system can use the Wi-Fi hotspot of an external device to connect to the Internet. Once the Wi-Fi hotspot is activated on the device, this process will vary depending on the type and model. Select the Internet Access Settings option to make the necessary adjustments. Activate the WLAN option and press the Find button. A list of devices available for connection is displayed. Select the one you want to use, enter the password, and, if necessary, confirm the connection from the device. Go to the main menu and select the SEAT Media Control function. Open the app in your device. You can remotely control the multimedia playback of up to 2 devices.